What's good, fam? It's your boy Kevin. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you know, I'm hanging out with the boys right now. We got Mr. Kenny right here. You know how it is. And then we got Hot Boy Nick. Hot Boy Nick, what's up? Hot Boy Nick, where is he at?
Alright, Kevin, we might have to.
Well, so what are we doing, Nick? What are we doing today?
We are fixing these rusty rotors because they are no bueno. Yeah, Kevin, that's all I have. This is a solid 3 wraps of.
I'm gonna do rotors on my car. We're gonna do front and rear. It actually was donated by Mr. Hot Boy himself. Where he at? Wave hi. Because what he got here is some BBK. It was from a GSF. Man, these rotors are pretty big. So he's giving it to me, right? I'm just kidding. Concept. And I have OEMs right now. I've been having an issue, I think my front wise, as like brake squealing and all that stuff, so we're gonna switch it up. I'm gonna probably try to use my old pads. Damn, bro, in my shot, damn.
I just went to Walmart, bro. Whoa. Wow.
It's a little rusty, as you can see, but we're gonna clean it up with some brake cleaner and all that stuff. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray paint I guess the hubcap or hubs part
This is a weird
black,
one. You have to like moist it.
because as you can see, after a while, it gets kind of, you know, it shows pretty white and all that stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna,
So like, you know, like your water bottle.
whatever you see is gray, we're gonna spray paint it black. Get the paint this gray part. Let's go. There's 2 bolts on the back. I'll show y'all in a little bit. It's just 2 that's holding onto the calipers. We're gonna need a little box or something to put it here, just to kind of hold these calipers. And so we're gonna break the brake lines, and we're gonna also need to take out the pads to release it from here. Other than that, and then there's 2 holes right here. You can pick one. It's you're gonna need a M8 1.25 bolts. We're gonna screw it in there, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna the more you screw it in, the more it's gonna push off from the back plate here, and we're gonna pop out the rotors. So we can just take it out. So here we go. Here's the bolt in the back. See this top bolt right here? This one right here, and the one right here. You'll see it. It's the bolt that's closest to the calipers over here. So I'll show y'all when I take it off. Fairly easy. You should be able to hit it. Holes right here, and what you do is you need this hex bolt that I have. I'll have a little picture of show what I have. It's a M8 1.25 hex bolt. you do is screw here. You hear a pop. I mean, the backing is off from the thing, and once it popped, it just kind of comes off. Mine took a little bit because it's kind of rusted, but yeah. Rotors looks kind of like, no, it's kind of smooth, but it's still kind of smooth. But yeah, that's all you need to do. So you about, there's the two bolts on the side. It's the closest one to the calipers. This is a 17 mil for both. So unbolt that, unbolt that, loosen it a little bit. I would say loosen it a little bit, and then do the pads, and then you come back to that off. And once you do this for this, if you see your little, you can kind of see my little indent on there, but hold it by your hand and just keep tightening it. It might need a little bit of work because like mine's kind of rusted, but it finally does it. Rotors over there. Put this back on. The driver's side, front driver's side, and don't focus on the where the slot is. Look at the vanes here. You want the vanes to be pointing towards that way, so like that way. So basically, you want to go this way. And some rotors, you want the slots to go against the vane. So this is the driver's side. But if you look it's close, the vane is like slanted like this. So you want to be going like this. Two lugs, just to kind of secure it in place. It's gonna wiggle for now when you first put it on because it's just how it is. When you put on your wheel, then it's gonna be more flush and it's gonna sit better. But I just put on two lugs just to see if there's any issue and everything's good. I'm about to clean the pads and all this stuff and then put them back on. Don't mind the black paint on it, but yeah, this is the rotors, the directional, the vents, as you can see up here, points that way. That's why you want it. So there. Make sure the two bolts in the back are pretty tightened. I don't know the spec for it, but I mean, I tighten it pretty good. It shouldn't come off. So we got the front done on this side and this side also. As you can see, it might look like it's going the opposite way, but the vanes are pointing this way towards me, so that's how it's supposed to be. I'm on the rear now. Jack up the car, took out the wheel. It's basically same process. Two bolts in the back, have something to hold this up. Take off the calipers, screw here, plug it in, pop it out, put it back on. Same process. So I won't really go in detail. I might have to turn on as a time lapse, but it shouldn't be too bad. Same thing. Now the only thing different about the rear pads to take them off is that you don't have anything to compress on. So there's this bolt right here. Unbolt this one, which takes this part off, and it comes out. You can take the pads off, but now you can do that and then take off the pads, or you can do it, take off the whole rotors. I mean calipers, and then take that off and take off the pads. So it doesn't matter which way. Just the two bolts in the back will take off the whole thing, and then this will take off. maybe a few months update later. Rotors are still fine. I have no issue, front and rear. Doesn't squeak, nothing like that. No vibration, anything like that. So the install was good. Those install that you're gonna eventually need to do it. I would definitely not go to the dealership and get that ridiculous dealership pricing, but you know, if you got a friend or some time, you can do it yourself. Pretty easy, simple. Just take a couple hours here and there. Play much. Rotors good. Everything's good. Pad's good. Have a nice day. Y'all stay safe, especially with all this COVID going on. And remember, don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. Deuces.